Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is especially for you, so let's start. A warm welcome to all my lovely viewers. I'm glad you're all here. So guys, welcome to my channel Norina with decor, your favorite sport. Get comfy because this video about to begin. A big hello to my all amazing audience. Today we are talking about wall shelf designs for your living room, bedroom and drawing room in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys, watch this video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful, and I am sure you will get amazing decorated ideas from this video. Wall shelf are a beautiful way to decorate any room. You can start by adding small potted plants to bring life to space. Choose green plants or colorful flowers. A green plants of colorful flowers add candles to create a soft and cozy feeling. Use photo frames to show your favorite memories. Choose black and white photos for a classic look. Add books to show your personality and styles. You can arrange them by colors or sizes. Put small baskets for strong and style. Display a clock, a cute sign with a cute. Add fairy lights to make it dreamy at night. Use glass jars with fairy lights or dried flowers. Try adding small art pieces. Decorate with items that tell your story. Use wood, metal, or glass shelf to match your room. Add a mirror to reflect light and make the room bigger. Choose one color theme or go for a colorful mix. Keep it clean and not too crowded. Less it more. Mix tall and short items for balance. Place some items straight and some at angle. Add handmade crafts for a personal touch. Use sensible decor like pumpkins in fall or flowers in springs. Decorate with love and care. Make each shelf tell a story. Use candles with soft scents. Add small trays for key or jewelry. Try gold or copper items for a luxury look. Mix textures like wood, glass, and fabrics. Choose items that make you use marble and ceramic pieces. Add a mini clock for charm. Decorate with your favorite colors. Make it feel warm and welcoming. Try a shelf with LED lights for glow. Use claiming colors like white and red. Add a small painting or wall art. Put your favorite books on display. Create layers with different heights. Use soft items like mini cushions or fabric baskets. Adds a little greenery to every shelf. Let your wall shelf reflect your personality. Your wall is your canvas. Make it beautiful. So guys, if you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it, and if you want to more home interior decoration ideas, so you can please visit my channel.